Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WorldRemit bank authentication error how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Some of the causes of bank authentication error are security channels fail like OTP or verification code issue, incorrect personal or payment info like name, phone number and bank details, temporary technical or system problems from the app or website glitches, and problems with the phone reception for SMS codes. In order to fix bank authentication errors, the first thing of the fix that you can apply is check your OTP or verification code. WorldRemit often sends a security code OTP to your phone or email. Make sure the mobile account is correct. Wait for the SMS code to arrive and enter it correctly. Request a new code if the first expires. Code usually expires quickly in about 15 minutes. Then make sure you have good network signal so the SMS comes through. The next fix is verify your personal details. WorldRemit may require identity verification before processing your transfer, like your full name, date of birth and address in WorldRemit, and WorldRemit must match your ID and bank records. If you updated any details but haven't verified them, submit a government-issued ID and follow the instructions in the verification email. Then check your verification status in the app or your email from WorldRemit. The next step is update or retry the transaction. If you enter the correct info but still get the error, simply log out of the app and log in once again, which refreshes your session. And you can also simply restart the app or simply head over to your app store. Then on the search bar type in WorldRemit, then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.